Do you want to earn money online? Do you want to earn passive income while you sleep? In today's video, I will show you how you can start earning a decent income even if you don't have any experience in working online whatsoever. Before we begin the video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below this video and click that little notification bell next to it so you can get alerted on any future videos I upload. Today, I will be sharing with you 7 ways you can start earning money online as a beginner. What I'm about to show you will in no way make you rich overnight. However, it will help you get some practical experience in working online so that you can then start building your online business. Number 1, we will talk about writing on forums. There are a lot of forums that will pay you to simply write threads. You don't need any experience in writing. All you need to do is write a thread on a topic you like, and you will be paid a set amount per thread. Writing on forums for money is not gonna make you rich, but you would still be able to earn some money for spending your time in those forums. You can find so many forums that will pay you to write. You just need to choose the one you like. Number 2, we will talk about KDP. KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing, and it is a platform by Amazon where individual authors can list their books for sale. It is free to join, and so many people are making money by selling books on KDP. The best thing, however, is that you don't have to write anything to sell books on KDP, as many authors are actually selling blank notebooks and journals and earning money from sales. All you need to do is design a cover using free websites like Canva, for example, and prepare an interior. I will link to a website where you can get free interiors to use on your books. If you want to know more about earning money from KDP, then check the video in the info card to learn more. I will also make more videos where we will dive deep into how to earn money from KDP with low content books. So if you are interested in that subject, then subscribe to get notified about future uploads. Number 3, we will talk about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online. You can literally make hundreds of dollars. With affiliate marketing, you will promote a product for a commission. You don't need to make the product, nor do you have to own it. All you need is your special tracking link, and then you can start promoting the product and earning money from each sale. Number 4, we will talk about stock footage. Stock footage is one of the most profitable ways to make money online, but the only downside is that you need to build a huge portfolio and join so many different marketplaces if you want to see any considerable amount of profit. With stock footage, you will be selling your own content, which are photos and videos. The best thing about stock footage is that one photo or video could be sold to multiple buyers, and that's why if your content ever gets viral, it can bring in some decent profit. Number 5, we will talk about print on demand. Print on demand is a good way to earn money online, and it's when you make designs that are then printed on physical products like t-shirts or mugs and then sold for a commission. You don't need any graphic design skills, as most designs that are being sold online are merely text-based designs that are easy to create. With print on demand, you also don't need to worry about inventory or printing cost, as there are a lot of platforms that will take care of that for you, so you don't need to pay anything upfront. Number 6, we will talk about creating a blog. Creating a blog is one of the easiest ways to make money online, as you don't need to learn anything to be able to create a blog and start earning money from it. It is also free to create, and all you need to do is write about a topic that you are most interested in. And after growing your visitors, you can start earning money by showing ads on your blog. Number 7, we will talk about creating mobile apps. Creating mobile apps have become so easy that anyone can create an app and earn money from it. Long gone are those days where only people who know how to code were able to make them. These days, anybody with an idea can make an app with no coding experience. So, as long as you have an idea that can bring value to people, why not create an app and earn money from it? I recently made a video about selling apps on the Amazon App Store. It is a very great video to watch if you want to sell your apps and make decent money online. You can see it in the info card. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you want to know more methods to earn money online and live a stress-free life, then check this playlist for more videos like this. See you in another video.